Welcome back to Bite and Joy. So today, which is 25th of December, I decided not to cook rice because I'm tired of eating rice. I decided to make a soup, which is Afang soup. Stay tuned and enjoy the rest
We
of
don't
the
fuck
video.
like we used to do, and when we talk you make it all about you. You know the things that you'd like to change about me. It'd be easier if I ever heard you say sorry. You ask permission and I'll let you, like if I never even met you. Think that I've seen this show before. Thought that I never could regret you, and then you act like I'm a stranger. Maybe I guess I like it too much, yeah. Too many times that you've been stuck in my head, freezing you out and then you're back in my bed. Say that we're done, but you need me here. I know that you still think of me. So many times I thought the things that you said, laughing too loud while you were giving me head. Say that we're done, but you need me here. I know that you still think of me. Yeah, and I guess that it makes me crazy. When I'm alone, my whole life seems hazy. One minute I let go, next I'm crawling to you. Always hope I can change your mind. Always hope I'm not out of line. Not go with wrong, it's just part I can take this loneliness. You ask permission and I'll let you, like if I never even met you. Think that I've seen this show before. Thought that I never could regret you, and then you act like I'm a stranger. Maybe I guess I like it too much, yeah. Too many times that you've been stuck in my head, freezing you out and then you're back in my bed. Say that we're done, but you need me here. I know that you still think of me. So many times I thought the things that you've said, laughing too loud while you were giving me head. Say that we're done, but you need me here. I know that you still think of me. So many times that you've been stuck in my head, freezing you out and then you're back in my bed. Say that we're done, but you need me here. I know that you still think of me. So many times I thought the things that you've said, laughing too loud while you were giving me head. Say that we're done, but you need me here. I know that you still think of me. I know that you still think of me.